UL and ETL are just nationally recognized companies that certify whether or not a product is safe. They have testing labs and they test to make sure that electrical products meet certain safety guidelines. Now, it is not illegal to sell or install non-UL or ETL rated product. However, OSHA does require that contractors do it during install, and contractors are governed by OSHA, the safety guidelines that OSHA sets. So they require it. Also, bad things happen. That's why we get insurance. So if you install a product that is not UL or ETL rated and something bad happens, it can absolutely come back on you. This is electricity. There's heat, there's sparks, fires start, bad things happen. So it is important. You'd be surprised at some of the big name manufacturers, if you ask, that don't have UL or ETL rated products. But it's important for the industry, for our industry, that we push those manufacturers, those suppliers to get those ratings. It's very obvious as to which products have them. It'll either be on the spec sheets or the fixtures will have a sticker somewhere that says UL or ETL rated. People who get those ratings make it very, very obvious. So ask your supplier whether or not the products are rated. If they're not, make sure that you think twice about what you're going to use, because it's all going to come back to you if there is an issue.